Wow, what an absolutely flawless pixie cut. Oh my goodness, she looks amazing. Love the overall shape and texture of this. It does have a little bit of a slicked back appearance. This is absolutely gorgeous. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have the stylist consulting the client, asking her what she wants to do with her hair. Looks like she's going to be getting some color and a cut with this one. Wow, what a beautiful bob makeover. I absolutely love the color on this bob. That ginger copper tone looks beautiful against her complexion. Such a cute style idea. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, here we see the stylist mixing in some layers. She also has that copper orange colored hair trend. I really like the way that he is doing the bangs. They're so voluminous and full. Wow, look at that volume. Beautiful layered haircuts, and the color just elevates the look even further. Absolutely love this hairstyle. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. She has some darker roots here, so I think she is going to be getting some color done. Bit of a chop into a bob. Wow, very fashion forward, jaw length style bob. Beautifully done, very nice. here we see someone with mid-length hair. And it looks like she is going to be getting a bob haircut with this hair change. Very nice jaw length style bob yet again. Nice classic hair idea. And then we move on to the next hair transformation. So she has some grown out roots here. Stylist applies some color. Looks like she got beautiful layers cut in with this bob haircut. Very nice. And layered bobs are very popular this season. They are a great way to add some texture to traditional bob styles. Next up, we see the stylist doing a pixie. Oh, I love the fullness within this pixie cut. Very nice amount of thickness here, texture. I really like the structured sideburns as well. That's another hot hair trend. Beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all the hairstyles that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.